Hi guys, today I'm making guava jerk chicken wings. I'm going to marinate the chicken wings with hot sauce, which is optional but I always use. The jerk marinade, which I already made. If you need the recipe for the jerk marinade, it's already on my blog. And I'm using a complete season blend. No, and I will allow this to marinate for maybe 2 hours. Then I will come back when I'm going to make the guava sauce because I will make that from scratch and show you guys how I do it. So I'm adding some sugar to it. I'm using white sugar, maybe like quart cup or a little bit less than quart, maybe like 3 tablespoons, and just a little bit of water. A potato masher just to mash it out a little bit. Thick paste. I'm gonna have the jerk marinate to it and then turn it off for it to cool and blend it for more smoother. Now that I'd blended, I'm just gonna strain it so that I don't have any seeds in it. So now I will let this simmer on the stove just for 2 to 3 minutes, just for it to like come have a better thicker consistency. I'm just flipping them now that is halfway done. I had at least 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm adding the guava sauce just to make it warm up a bit to add the chicken to it. I'm excited to taste the chicken to see how it's going to be. Now that the chicken is, it's time to add it to the guava paste, the guava sauce. So I'm just adding the chicken to the guava sauce just for it to soak up all that guava goodness flavor. This is the finished product of the guava jerk wings.